hello, this is a very quick look at the GRIPPPZ Magnetic Wristband Tool Organiser. This is a brilliant little DIY gadget. It's a magnetic wristband and the instructions come magnetically pinned to the wristband via a little paper clip. This is available in 3 colours. I've got the black, but you can get it in red and blue as well, and you can see that it's made of 100% polyester. It's got built-in magnets and it is adjustable. I have pretty small wrists, I'd say, and this fits me really nice and snugly. You can wrap it right round, keeps very tight. It's actually very comfortable. I was quite surprised how comfortable it was, and it stays comfortable even when you load things on. Basically, you just attach whatever it is you're going to be using to your wrist strap. This avoids that classic DIY problem of having to hold nails or screws in your teeth while you're doing your job. And it's strong enough to also hold things like drill bits, but you do have to make sure they're in the right position. So you want to put them bang on the magnet and then they will stay sturdy and in place. You can even load up a full bag of nails, as I've done at the back, just to test this out. And there's some additional bits, we'll just load those on. And the magnets are very strong. This is great for general use. You'd put it on the wrist that isn't holding the hammer, just to make sure that you're not unnecessarily moving it around. Although I have to say, when I have shaken this, so here it is, fully loaded up with far too many screws and nails. I would never use this many, but even when I give it a really good vigorous shake, they're not coming off. They will start to move slowly, so you can see in a second there's one little one starting to make its way off. There it is, let's just pop that back. But that's not realistically how you're going to be using this. You're going to have it on a hand that isn't moving too much. The hammer or screwdriver would be in your other hand. And let's just take this off. You can see just how much is loaded up on there. It's a really simple idea, but it works really well. The magnets are strong enough to hold everything in place while you're getting on with your DIY. I hope you found this short review useful. If you have, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.